Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can add a new page to your site on Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. So let me go with that example online blog here. I created for demonstration purposes. What you need to do, guys, is navigate to your workspace inside your Webflow account, navigate to all sites and click into the given site project by choosing open in Webflow. I've already done that here. So what you want to do here in the website or site builder is click into this page button here on the left hand side. You may also use the shortcut P. From that overview here for your pages, what you want to do is click into that plus button, new page, and select either create page, for example, to start with a blank page without any elements, or you may go with a template to customize the template according to your liking. So I will go for a blank page. As you can see, I can't do this with my account status, so I will need to remove that one first. And now let me show you the process again. So click into these pages, click into that plus button, select create page, and now go through these new page settings. Give it a name here, so I'm not going to leave it untitled, but my online blog, for instance. Then you will see the settings here, like for example the SEO settings, the title tag, the sitemap indexing, you can enable it here, the page URL, and so on and so forth. And yeah, go through these settings, guys, and you can also customize these later through your page settings. If you'd like to create the page and add it to your list of pages here, for example below your home page, click into create. And as you can see, that's the blank page. If you'd like to navigate to it, click into the navigator here on the left hand side, into the page navigator. And as you can see, the page has been added, so you can change its position here, for instance, by using that handle. And that's it. Access its page settings if you'd like to access and customize these later as well. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.